So the first thing to do is undo the cover screw like that, and then we need to take the bolt out which holds the crank on. Out that comes. Take the washer out, and then what we need is a crank removal tool like this. The important thing here is you unscrew it so the pin is at the back, and then it goes in like this. So I've now got the crank tool screwed all the way on, and now I start screwing in the pusher, and then I put a spanner on it like that, and then I screw it in. And there we have it, it's pushed it off. So reassembly is just simply a matter of putting the new one on, putting the washer on, putting the bolt in, which I've put a bit of oil on, and then tightening it up, of course. I have, by the way, already taken the chain off, which will be the subject for another video. So that needs to be tightened up, and then of course the cap will go back on.